Hey folks, this is freaking Uncle Pauly. You guys remember me from the other video I did on my freaking 3-ingredient delicious freaking pizza? Hey, if you forgot, I'll put it in the link down below. Hey, this is Dr. Dennis's YouTube channel, okay? He's the wellness doc, and he brings everything healthy for your freaking mind, your body, yo, check that out, and your soul. God bless. Okay, let's get right into it. The health tip of the day is entitled descending sets. In other words, we call them drop sets. All right, if you forgot, it's right over here. And we're gonna start with the heavyweight. So let's say we're doing some freaking heavy shoulder presses, right? So we're gonna start with, I know it's kind of lightweight, 75-pound dumbbells on each hand. We're gonna knock out 10. Then the next set, we're gonna go down to 65. And we're gonna do up to 15. All right? Next, we're gonna go down to 55 and we're gonna knock out 20. Doesn't seem like much, but when you add it all up, let's see, this and this. Anyway, it's a lot. Why would you do this? Hey, you guys out there, you freaking paisans and everybody, you ever have a time where you hit, like you're working out, and then you hit a point where you can't put the weight on anymore, okay? Or they call it a plateau, all right? You feel like you got less energy, you feel like you don't feel as strong. So that means that's your freaking brain up here telling you that you got to do something different, all right? Us humans, we like to do the same thing over and over and over and over. But when it comes to weight training and working out hard and you want things to change, you got to change your routine. So my advice for today is you add in descending sets, freaking drop sets, all right? You and your buddy, you help each other out, you throw the weight off, boom, 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 you're done. The other part of this is it's very quick, all right? So, if you have any other freaking questions, you can leave a comment down below. And if you like this freaking video, you better put the thumbs up. Let's get it in the camera. Freaking hit that like button. Hit the red subscribe. Push it like this. And leave a comment. We got more stuff to talk about, all right? Because we got to look freaking good, all right? The summer, we're about 6 months away. We got some work to do, all right? So we got a lot more information to share with you guys. And hopefully we'll get to hear from Dr. Dennis in the next video, all right? But this is your Uncle Pauly saying God bless, take care, and we'll see you soon.